Well, first up, the SRK incident isn't the only one giving the IPL a bad name. He may not have played a single IPL match this season, but the Royal Challengers Bangalore player Luke Pommersbach has still managed to make the headlines that after an American woman accused him of molesting her and assaulting her fiancé.
A wild child of Aussie cricket, Luke Pommersbach, has had several run-ins with the law, but this time he's accused of having violated Indian law. Pommersbach allegedly molested Zohal Hamid, an American citizen, in a hotel in the capital on Thursday night.
While I was walking inside towards the room, he grabbed my hand, turned around, he held me tight, grabbed my boobs, wanted to kiss me. Sahil stood up. He said, "That's my fiancé. What are you doing? It's not just a normal girl. Please leave." That's all he told him. He didn't want to make any kind of scene, so he asked him to leave, and basically what he did, he turned around, started punching him on his face twice, fell down, fell on his back.
While Luke Pommersbach's conduct needs to be condemned, questions also need to be asked about the victim and her fiancé as to why did they befriend a complete stranger and invite him to their suite in the wee hours of the morning. Pommersbach was arrested on Friday morning, charged with molestation and produced at the Patiala court. He was released on interim bail. Pommersbach apparently even collapsed in the court.
The judge has primarily asked for some more evidence in court. Firstly, the CCTV footage from the hotel, which would show whether there is a case of criminal trespassing, whether Luke was forcibly trying to enter the complainant's room. And secondly, the medical reports of the complainant's fiancé to show whether his injuries are simple or grievous in nature.
The IPL organizers, though, have washed their hands of the matter.
कोई इंडिविजुअल, कोई प्लेयर अपने कमरे में होटल में क्या करता है, उसके लिए आईपीएल की जिम्मेदारी कहां से बनती है? इसके लिए पुलिस को हैंडल करने दो। पुलिस जब हमारे पास कोई रिपोर्ट भेजेगी, तब हम उस पर कार्रवाई की बात सोचेंगे।
Molestation and assault are serious charges, and while the law takes its own course, what's certain is that the image of the IPL too has been tarnished. In New Delhi with Tanima Biswas, Rika Roy for NDTV.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.